My name is Edwin Sequeira. I am the president of Amada India. Welcome to Farming Now. Indian sheet metal is facing the present main two issues. One is labor and second, skilled manpower. To overcome these issues, Amada has come up with the new bending machine with the automation, that is auto tool changer, and laser and punching machines with the automation. So customer can load their full day schedule and run the machine 24/7. So to enhance their productivity and uptime, we have come up with the IoT support where we can monitor the machine 24/7 and support so their uninterrupted production can go on. Amada India's theme for IMTEX 2026 Digital Manufacturing. Under this theme, we are displaying our flagship LBC technology machine Ventis 3015 AJE along with servo bending machine EGB 6020 ATC auto tool changer. Also to support our startup customers, we have come up with the new laser model Versus 3015 AJE and SRB 1003 bending machine. Also, first time in this IMTEX, we displaying under the theme of Amada 1. That is Amada India, Amada Press System and H&F, which is very popular in automobile sector, and Amada Weldtech for applications related to fiber laser welding. Also, to support our customers, we have launched new software, LiveLots, AMNC 4IE and IoT support.